In today's video, I'll teach you how to start group call on Snapchat. First of all, launch open Snapchat application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find various icons over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the chat icon. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the chat interface. So if you want to start the group call, what you have to do is tap on this pencil icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right over here at top, you'll be able to find two options: new chat, new call. Tap on this option, new call. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the call interface. What you have to do is tap on this option, new group call, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to start the group call. What you have to do is simply tap on the profile of the people that you would like to include in this group. Simply tap on this profile. Now once you do that, what you have to do is simply tap on this option, start call, that you can see on the screen. After that, the group call will be started. So that is how you start group call on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.